Welcome guys to another episode of today's video. Well, yes, I haven't been uploading for a while because I'm working on a very big project, which is Proxy Productions. It's me and my friend are basically working on a project. It's a public Discord bot. So I'm sorry if I did not upload for a while. If you want to check out our bot as well, just check the link in the description. It's in the description. Well, first of all, I advertise, I'm sorry. So thank you guys again. So what I'm gonna do in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys a user info command. It's a very pretty good command. It's gonna be a little bit simpler than other videos that you're gonna watch or something, I guess. And it's gonna be very cool. Trust me, at the end of today's video, you will see, you can skip until the end and you see the commands that we're gonna use. It's gonna be a full information of the user. It's gonna be a very good idea actually. We'll see about it, and the cool thing about this is actually you can mention the user and you can use the ID. So without further ado, guys, I'm not gonna talk about anything else. I'm just gonna get straight into the video, and yeah, let's get into the video, guys. Alright, so it's not gonna be pretty hard. It's gonna be pretty simple. You're just gonna check the GitHub in the description. You can check it out over there. So you won't have any issues properly, and your bot will probably work fine. I'm just gonna explain each line of the code. Because this code was pretty long and it's gonna take like, I don't know, let's just say 20 or 10 minutes of the video. I'm not gonna waste it a lot on this. As you can see, we have the let array user. We're just gonna use a very separate args arg system, again like others. We're just gonna do this arg function here. If you don't know what I'm doing right now, it's gonna be a command handler right now. I made a command handler before, and then you can check out my other videos by clicking on the playlist that I have in my channel. And as you can see, I made a let member, which is gonna find the member. This is gonna be a GitHub as well. And as you can see, we have the member that presents the status do not distribute. And as you can see, it's gonna show the member status. As you can see, it's gonna say that the member is do not distribute. And if the member was online, it's gonna say it's online. It's all idle, it's gonna be idle, and if it's offline, it's just gonna be offline. So we're just gonna say that when the user joined the Discord server, or when the user created the time that actually this thing created actually. So we're just gonna say that the X is gonna be date.now, the created ad. So this is gonna be the created time that this thing created actually, and it's gonna be this when the user joined the Discord server. So as you can see, it's gonna be let y, and we're just gonna make a constant. We're gonna call it created. This is gonna do some math stuff. So it will find the date that your actually account is created and the joined as well. It's gonna be a math thingy. As you can see, you have the const join date. It's gonna be the format. We're just gonna say that this is the format for the date that we joined. And if you want to say that, you can just play around with this one. You can find your favorite thing. But for me, it's because it's just gonna show the day, month, year, hour, minute, and second. I like the format actually, so just don't change it. If you want to change it, just change it. It's your opinion. As you can see, we said that this is the status. So yeah, that's technically it. We're just gonna say the letter status is gonna connect to the presence. So we're just gonna say that the const embed, we're just gonna create an embed basically, and it's gonna set the author of the embed and the timestamp, which is gonna be on downside. The footer is gonna show when they use the command, and the color is gonna be blue, which is gonna show the color of the embed on the right side. If you know, this very thin thingy over there, and it's gonna show the image. You can set thumbnail, but I'm gonna set the image because I'm just wanna be a little bit, you know, I don't know. You can put anything you want actually. So technically, you can add field here. It's gonna show the member ID, and in here it's gonna add another field, which is gonna be roles, the roles that the member have, which is gonna show right over here. It's gonna say that this is the format and this math thingy again. So you know, that's why I say check GitHub. And actually, if I wanna code all of this in one video, it's gonna take long, or you know, I just lazy. Let's just see that the add field created ad. This is gonna say that when your account is created, that's gonna the answer is gonna be the created date. So as you know, we created this right over here. It's gonna run this created date from here. So it's gonna say that join the server at. It's gonna create it. It's gonna show the information of it, and it's gonna say when days ago, which is pretty nice, not gonna lie. If you want to set this one as well that says when days ago, you're just gonna do the same as well. It's just gonna make a line break. By the way, if you don't know what line break is, it's just gonna be something like this, and there we go. This is gonna be a line break, and we're just gonna say that when this account created. So we're just gonna do another s, and it's gonna be created. If you want to say that when days ago joined Discord, actually, say that how old you are. We're just gonna say day, and it's gonna set the status, and it's gonna say that the member status. What is the member status? And you can also put some icons here if you wanna. You can put anything you want. It's gonna again, if you wanna customize again, if you wanna customize the status, it's gonna customize these areas. So let's just run it right now. Let's just do node dot. And in case you don't know, I said that the message.channel and where we use this command, it's gonna. So right now, if I do member info. Oh, sure. Okay. I was like, what? Here we go. As you can see, it's gonna show our icon here, and it's gonna show our tag. I don't think I told you, but it's gonna show the display avatar you are in the member.user. As you can see, it's gonna show here, and it's gonna set the user.tag after this one, my tag and it's gonna show the member ID, and it's gonna show the rules that you have, and it's gonna show the date that this is created. So this doesn't work because of Discord. So that's what I didn't use it. If you want, just don't use the created when this is created. It's gonna be a very difficult max function. I already tried it, but if you want to really know this, just search on the internet. You will find some responses. As you can see, it says join the server at. It's gonna say that when you join the server, which is I joined the server 20 days ago, and it's gonna say the Friday, May 20, and it's gonna say when exactly, which hour, which is actually crazy. So yeah, that's technically it. By the way, make sure you import these two important stuff here. You gotta install a module called Moment, and you're gonna install a module called Discord. It is very important. Most of you guys will just clone the project, and then you're gonna say, oh, this is gonna work, bro. It's not gonna work. You're gonna install the package.json each time you want to install and use the codes. You can just copy the codes. Please just don't clone the project from the GitHub. I don't understand this concept actually. So if you want to download the moment and install it, it's going to be pretty simple. You're just going to do npm moment. Make sure you download it, and it's going to call it moment as well. You're just going to require it in your code. And technically it, and yeah, if you want to know a user information or member information about a user, you're just going to mention him or mention her, whatever, mention it. I'm going to mention my friend, for example. I didn't mean to mention the giveaway bot. It's actually our bot, by the way. Let's just Gavin Vu. There we go. It's gonna show the information of the user, and you can also use it by using the member ID. So if I do member info and I get the member ID, I'm gonna copy this and paste it. I'm gonna show it again still, and even though I don't think it's gonna work out, but let's just try it. I think you can even use this by member info Gavin Vu. How about this? Nope, it's not gonna work out. I thought it's gonna work out, but I don't think it's gonna. Yeah, that sucks. Well, it's fine actually. So, that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you liked it. If you liked, make sure to leave a like, hit that red subscribe button, and for supporting me, just follow me on Twitter and Twitch. I will be really appreciated. And also, please for supporting me very much, because I'm gonna be a verified developer soon on Discord. Invite my bot into your Discord server. It's gonna be linked in the description, so you guys can check it out. And I hope y'all will see you in the next video, guys. Peace out. This is Dashka out. Goodbye.